Hello, AP Exam Review folks. Happy Thursday to you. Not much to say today. As you know, yesterday we kind of dived back into mechanics. We'd been spending a time in E&M. Mostly that was because the live videos that were being made were, I was kind of catching up to them. So I had to do a little E&M so that I could let the mechanics folks get ahead of us a little bit. So there, wrapping everything up this week with rotation, and so we'll start on that actually on Friday, and we'll do some rotation next week and some final things. So on Tuesday night, I watched a webinar that went through a lot of the details of the actual exam day experience. So my plan is to have a little Google Meet with all of us. That's the 7 of you plus me getting together so we can go through a couple of details of things that I'm afraid you might be missing. It seems like a lot of people aren't opening emails, which is kind of odd. Like the College Board is sending you really important information, stuff you need to deal with, and I'm afraid some of you might not be opening it. And you need to be checking the account that you have in AP Classroom, which is not your school account. So you could even, I don't know, you just have to go into that account now and then and look for anything from the College Board and kind of deal with that. So those things aren't going to go away, but I will help talk you through it. But still a lot of it's going to be up to you to deal with. So so we're starting into rotation today, and I think a lot of people would say that's one of the more challenging topics, but I feel like we've revisited some of the rotation stuff just in the course of doing electricity and magnetism. We saw things like torque again, and we dealt with energy again, and so I'm hoping the second pass through here things will click a little bit. I feel really good about the review that I've put together, the videos, the live videos, and actually one that I made that we're going to use on Friday. I think can be really super helpful. So I don't know. We'll see. That's my perspective. I realize you've got a very different perspective. Just a final reminder here, we are in Virtual Hope Week, so I don't know if you've been inspired to participate in any part of that. Maybe if you know somebody on the Hope Squad, that helps a little bit. I don't think any of you are part of it, but they've worked hard to put that together, and I know they'd rather be doing it at school, but we're raising awareness of something that's really important to the Fairmont family, and so it'd be great if you could participate somehow. So if you haven't seen it on social media, you can go back and look at the schedule that I put on Classroom on Monday, just to see what that's all about. So all right, I think that's going to do it. I'll let you get started on your work, and as usual, message me if you have any questions about anything, and hopefully you get a little smarter every day. That's the name of the game. All right, y'all take care. Be safe, be healthy.